Good morning, guys. Today we've got here ZTE Blade V50, and let me show you how to add Google account to this device. First of all, open the settings. Then find and select passwords and accounts and click on Add Account. Pick Google. And now enter email address or phone number, whatever is connected with your account. In my case, it is email address. And mark Next. Now provide your password. Let me do it off the screen. And once you enter the password, mark Next. Tap on I agree. And that's it, that will be all. Your account has been added. Whenever you want to remove it, just mark and select remove. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.